Advocates and veterans have called burn pits the Agent Orange of our generation. We cannot let history repeat itself. We cannot let the current generation of veterans wait another 20, 30, or 40 years to finally get the care and benefits they earned. And we cannot keep legislating one location or disability at a time. And that's why we need to act quickly with comprehensive legislation. Last month, the committee passed the Honoring Our Promise to Address Comprehensive Toxic Act, or the Honoring Our Pact Act, a comprehensive bill that upholds the promise we make to veterans that we will take care of them when they come home. The Honoring Our Pact Act would provide health care for up to as many as 3.5 million veterans exposed to toxic airborne hazards and burn pits. It would streamline VA's presumption review process to negate the need for continued congressional intervention. It would finally concede exposure to airborne hazards and burn pits. It would require medical exams and opinions for veterans with toxic exposure disability claims, and establish a presumption of service connection for 23 respiratory illnesses and cancers related to burn pits and airborne hazards exposure. It would create a presumption of exposure to radiation and would expand Agent Orange exposure and add hypertension and MGUS to the list of presumptions. And it would require VA to provide standardized training and conduct outreach and improve data collection between VA and DoD. We need to think of the cost of war as something that is larger than the tanks, the ships, the guns, and the planes. For too many of our veterans, the real cost of war is the health effects that linger years after they hang up their uniforms for the last time. Every day, more veterans get sick and die from the effects. When we send our service members into harm's way, we do so with a promise to care for them and pay for that care when they come home. The Honoring Our Pact Act upholds this promise to all current veterans and all future veterans. 2021 will be the year we pass comprehensive legislation to meet the needs of all veterans who were exposed to toxins while serving our country. It is time America makes good on our promise to care for all veterans exposed to toxic substances.